Using Telegram stars to perform some certain transaction in Telegram mini app is quite cheaper than using the Ton coin. Yes, and in this video I will be showing you how you can get this Telegram star at a cheaper rate. If you come to your Telegram profile right here, and under the setting, when you come to your star, you will see the amount of stars, the cost of stars right here. You see 100 star cost about 3,590, and the price here is not even the problem. The problem is that as a Nigerian, you cannot use your Naira card to purchase these stars. So which is why I will be showing you how you can get this Telegram star with Ton. So in order for you to do that, what you have to do is to go to your Ton Keeper wallet. On your Ton Keeper wallet, you must know that you need a Ton, so you must have get a Ton. And if you don't know how to buy a Ton, I have already made a detailed tutorial on how to buy Ton, and I will be leaving the link in the comment section or description of this video. So after getting Ton, what you have to do is to click on the browser down there, and here on the search bar you just search for fragment.com. click on fragment.com. Once this load up, what you want to do next is to click on this star. Click on this star and it will take you up to this page. So what you want to do right now is to enter your Telegram username. And how do you get your Telegram username? Go back to your Telegram. You go back to your Telegram like this, and here you click on this three hamburger line, that three line. You click on my profile, and here you should see your Telegram username. So this is what you copy. You copy the username, and then you go back to your Ton Keeper. So you paste your username here. You remove the @ because you don't actually need that, and you enter the amount of stars you want to buy. Come down right here to more option. You click on more option, and then you select the amount of star you want to buy. In my own case right here, I want to buy like 250. So after clicking on that, you scroll down, you click on buy 250 star, and as you can see, it will load up your Telegram information. Buy star for hashtag digital concept, and it show my display name. Yes, and I will just click on that, and you wait for this transaction to confirm. You have to pay a gas fee of 0.0024, which in Naira is equivalent to around 20 Naira. And 250 Telegram star is equivalent to 0.76 Ton, which if you are to pay this for any transaction fee on Telegram, it's going to cost you around 1 Ton. So you can see you still save about 0.2 something Ton. So I will just slide to allow this, and I will click on confirm. Then you just have to wait till this is done. And wait, you see recording in the blockchain, so you have to wait for all this to be processed. It might take some moments, but be rest assured that your Telegram star will be given to you. So what next you have to do is to just wait, and you can leave this page right now and go back to your Telegram to check your Telegram star out. So you can see Telegram star, and I receive a notification right here, and I want to believe that is my Telegram star. You see, so now I have bought a Telegram star, and which is very cheap than buying it even on the Telegram itself. So that is how you buy a Telegram star without wasting much of your Ton or your money. So this is more cheaper and it's more faster. So if you get any value from this video, don't forget to like it, share it for more tappers to see, and of course follow this page for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out.